Hakka Mantis courses. Train daily lessons. Now that you have enrolled your annual membership and have taken a course, let's learn how to use the site to train daily lessons. You must sign in first to access your courses taken. From your profile you can find all your courses that you have subscribed to. In this case, the student has taken the USA Kwangsai Mantis Sambo Jin first and second generation, and the Han form, and the China Kwangsai Sam Jin 3 steps and scissors form. From your profile page, you can go to the daily lessons by clicking any course taken. As an example, we'll use the Sam Jin 3 steps and scissors course, to examine daily lessons. All online courses will follow this same procedure. This short course description page is where all daily lessons are found for each course, and the student questions and answers list for each course. You can also access the full course description page from here. From this short course description and lessons page, click on the current daily lesson you are training. This course has 12 daily lessons. But, you must train them for 30 consecutive days without fail. Here we will start with day 1. Click the day 1 lesson. This is your day 1 Sam Jin lesson. All lessons and all boxing courses have a similar layout, but each has different supplemental information and a different teaching. First scroll down and see the layout. Let's examine the left column first. At the top, you'll find an audio file and a list of what you'll train in each day's lesson. Next you'll find supporting information about what you'll be training today, followed by step-by-step video instruction, explaining today's skill. Then there are details and history about the concerned branch of Hakka Mantis and the training you are taking. And at the bottom of the page you can ask or answer questions about this lesson and course, or simply leave a comment. Now let's examine the right column of this page. Scroll up to the top. In the right column, you can read how to use the arrows, X, mark the lesson complete, and mark the lesson incomplete. The arrow forward or back takes you to the next or previous day's lesson. We can scroll through all the lessons in the course using the forward or backward arrow. Day 2. Day 3. And back to day 1. The X is for exiting lessons back to the short course description and lessons page. You can click day 1 or any day of lessons to return. Mark complete when you have finished today's lesson. If you X out to the lessons page, you will now see a progress bar indicating that you have marked day 1 lessons complete toward your course completion. Click day 1 or any day to return to the lessons. If you wish to train a lesson over, click mark incomplete and it will be removed from the progress bar reminding you to keep training the lesson. When you X out you will now notice that today's progress has been removed from the bar. Click day 1 to return to the lesson. Mark complete each lesson when you are satisfied with your progress. This is what you will see when you have completed all the lessons in a course. And this is what you will see in your profile page when you have subscribed to many courses. Completed courses will be emboldened. And there is a progress bar to show your training in each course. Below the Mark Complete section, each lesson has a different boxing maxim. You should reflect on these maxims, to improve your boxing skill. Further below, are more details to read, about the skills you have learned, in today's lesson. And you may quiz yourself, to further think on Hakka Mantis. At the bottom of the left column, is a clickable list, of each day's lessons, in this course. You can click and link directly to any lesson, in the course. This course has 12 days of lessons. Some boxing courses have 9 days of lessons, and some have 18. You must train each boxing course, a minimum of 30 consecutive days, without fail. By following the video tutorials, steps 1 through 4, you have learned to register, enroll, take a course, and train daily Hakka Mantis lessons. There are many courses. Follow the traditional teaching step by step, course by course, and when you have completed all the Hakka Mantis Boxing International courses, over time, then you will have gained understanding, ability, and expertise. You cannot have a full understanding of Hakka Mantis, until you have gained an understanding and ability, of the three branches, one route. Get started now and use this membership site to your advantage.